Hi, I'm Jirius.
And I'm Hadassah Shaheen.
And welcome to the Shaheen Test Kitchen.
Today we're making homemade bread.
So we prepared our area and we used yeast, sugar, salt, flour, water. We added all the dry ingredients minus the flour plus 2 cups water into a bowl until the yeast was dissolved. Then we started slowly adding 1 cup at a time flour for 5.5 cups, and we worked the dough and let it rise for about an hour. After that, we put an inch of boiling water at the bottom rack, and we shaped and cut the top of the dough and placed it in the oven at 400 degrees for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, more like 35 to 40 minutes, or 45 minutes, somewhere around there. I wasn't really 100% keeping track. But then you let it sit to cool for about 10 to 15 or 20 minutes, something like that, before you can cut into it.
My dad literally made this loaf of bread. It looks like a real loaf of bread. It looks so good. I know, very good. My dad is cutting the bread now. Looks good.
What do you think?
It's good.
It's good?
It tastes like bread.
Like bread. Good. That's great. It tastes like bread.
Yummy. Very.
What do you think, buddy?
So good.
So good. Thank you for watching our test kitchen. We hope you enjoyed the video.